Okay, just going to have a look at assignment of auxiliary functions to the joystick and the new FendtONE terminal. So we'll start by selecting joystick. We're going to unlock so we can make adjustments. Now at the moment we've got a lot of stuff already selected, so we're going to clear those out. So we're going to select linkage, hit the trash can, hydraulics, trash can, right. So now we've got a clear slate and we can assign whatever we want. So you've got a whole raft of different things we can put up there. So for instance, we might want our cruise 1, cruise 2. Now they're assigned to those buttons and you can see they've got an orange line at the bottom, so now it knows they're there. We might want auto steer, engage, so now we've got that up there. Vario TI, that's in, and hydraulics, so you can see all our different valves there. Simply select the valve we want to pop up on the screen and then we'll go out. Now we can see it's syncing. That's saved all those settings now and we're good to go.